Hi friends! Are you ready to make something fast, sweet, and super yummy together? What are we making?
Cooking Club with Shamita.
Today we are making a cottage cheese fruit bowl. Let's do it! Look at this bowl. It is white and creamy. It has bright fruit on top. It smells sweet. It looks colorful and fresh. Does it look like a rainbow in a bowl? Let's look at everything we need. We have half a cup of cottage cheese. It is soft and a little bumpy. We have half a cup of fruit. Peaches. Berries. Maybe strawberries. Or blueberries. What fruit do you see? We also have 1 small spoon of honey. Sticky and shiny. And we need a bowl, a spoon, and a measuring cup. First, scoop the cottage cheese into your bowl. Plop. It looks soft. It feels thick. Can you say plop with me? Plop. Then, add the fruit on top. Drop the berries. Lay the peaches. Look at the colors. Red. Yellow. Orange. So bright. So juicy. Next, drizzle the honey over the fruit. Slowly. Squeeze gently. Honey is sticky. If the honey bottle is hard to squeeze, a grown-up helps here. Watch it shine as it falls. Drip, drip. After that, use your spoon to mix gently. Swirl. Swirl. Slow hands. We do not splash. We do not rush. Can you stir with me? The white cheese and colorful fruit are mixing. It looks like a creamy rainbow. We're almost done. Finally, take a tiny taste. Sweet, creamy, juicy little bites. Look at your bowl. White and colorful. Soft and bright. You made this. All by yourself. Give yourself a big clap. I am so proud of you. You tried something new. You mixed colors. You cooked with care. Thank you for cooking with me today. See you next time for more yummy fun in Cooking Club with Shamita. Bye friends.